Hi YouTube. I'm sitting here with my Quanum do-it-yourself goggle set. So I have, well, at least I thought I had glued the two parts together, but as you can see, my gluing wasn't good enough. But I'm a little doubt whether or not I should glue it. I was thinking maybe to buy some black tape to put around and just wrap the tape around like that and around like that. If it's black tape, it wouldn't show too much, and also that I thought to have black tape on all the joints and around the screen, because, well, even if you glue it, you probably won't get it 100% light. What's the word? So there will be no light inside of the box. I did test it and it seems to work fine. Also found the lens, the magnifying lens to put in. So, and of course I wear glasses and I can't use glasses while I'm wearing these, so that's a drawback. But then again, what can you expect for the price? So I will just finish this, put some elastic head strap and the foam tape around here to make it softer. And this is the head strap. It seems like it's pretty straightforward to attach it. So I will do that, and I can show you guys after how it looks. I chose to open it. I'm just gonna do some more testing with the lens, and I just wanted to show you while it was open how it looks. Basically, you have two foam parts and the screen. I can now take off this protective film of the screen at this point, and the screen is basically just going in there. And then you have the magnifying lens frame, which you just glue on the handles, and it's going to be like this. And I did try on one of the lenses, and there are two lenses which are very much alike, and the third one was way off, at least for me, because I'm nearsighted. So I decided to, before I glue things together, I'm gonna try on the other lens one more time. The way I do it is I just take some normal Scotch tape, take off a piece, and just glue it on like that. Just the lens, just tape it on. Take another small piece of tape and put it on the other side, like that. And if you put it, if you put the lens in this way, the tape doesn't really show. You see, if you put it that way, it shows a lot more. and as far as I've seen, it doesn't matter which way the lens is, at least not for my eyes. So I'm just gonna try flip this one more time, and power up the video. So I have my video right here, and a tilt system that is supposed to go on my Icon A5, and I have a battery for the screen, and there you go. So let me see if I'm able to show that better. Okay. So okay. And if I put down the camera, and let me just see if I can do this. I don't know if it makes any sense for the camera to just adjust the lens inside. You see the light up in the roof, kind of. When you have the goggles on, you don't really see that. So, but I don't think the quality is not that bad. So yeah. I'm just gonna try out, take off my glasses. And well, otherwise, for me it seems like the screen is not perfectly straight. I'm gonna try to flip it around just to make sure that I don't see any differences on the lens. Well, I see this time I can see that it is almost no magnifying. It's almost like nothing actually. So I do wonder if I'm gonna, yeah. I will actually try on the other lens one more time. As far as I know, I am supposed to be able to get off, to get this out while it's glued in place. But I haven't been able to do that, so that's why I haven't glued it, because if I was able to remove the frame, the magnifying frame, after it was glued, it didn't really matter, because then I could play around with it. But I haven't been able to do that, so I'm gonna struggle a little bit more with it. I could always just make a small cut, and maybe it will fit. So I will struggle a little bit with that, and then I will glue it. And I made some, let's see if I can see. According to the instruction manual, you're supposed to cut a small gap. I have not cut through, so it's not, the hole is not through. And then you're supposed to glue this on. So I will just push this, put some glue inside, push this inside, put some more glue in between, and put so much inside so that I have an overlap here, so I can glue the strap to the foam as well. So so you have glue on these two parts, there, and in between, and then you glue everything in. And there are some screws there to if you want to screw it in. I don't know if this is foam, so, but then again, when you have glue on it, maybe it will stick, even if, and probably if you put glue in the screw holes. then it's probably gonna be quite nice. So I've done that on each side. So I will struggle a little more with the lens and just make sure that everything is perfect before I glue everything. Yes, so I basically chose to do the rest off camera. So as you can see, I have glued and put 2 screws in for the strap on this side, and the same on the other side. And also I found the correct, for my eyes, I found the correct lens to put inside. So basically it works pretty great actually. It's very nice. Just one lead for the power and then lead for the video. Wide is off in sound. I haven't tested it. I don't know if there are any speakers in this screen. That would surprise me actually. Doesn't matter. I don't have a transmitter that supports sounds anyway. So I haven't tested it in the air using it flying yet, because I haven't tried flying yet. Tested it just on the ground with taxi my plane on the ground. It works great. It really does. So basically that's it. I'm sorry there was not really a proper build video, but anyway you can see how it is, and it's really nice, and for the price you can't really beat it. So for a starter in FPV, this is really great. This is good stuff. Okay, thank you for watching.